Alright, me and Chong are now by the falls, and I decided to do hippie vibes over here. And I guess the question... Alright, we have how Chong's going just like this, with his nose straight like that. We got a little squirrel eating over here. I don't know if I have it in the camera good. And here's Chong. And he got his tail straight out that way. He doesn't like these squirrels, and I don't understand why. He's fine with ducks, but hates these squirrels. But here's Mr. Squirrel over here. He'll probably run before we even get a little bit close. He's eating his acorn. It's so cute too. He's gonna run away. There he goes. And here's Chong. Well, we got him versus a squirrel. And the squirrel ran away, but we got a cute squirrel footage.